Movement, it's January 2024. You made it. This last market tested and tried even the best. Our industry contracted 60%, and you're still here. You're still standing. So what do you do? What do you do now that you've made it through? Well, the first thing you do is take advantage of that gift of adversity that was given to all of us by this market. You're stronger now because you made it through. You have more resilience now because you made it through. You have more grit now because you made it through. And you have more opportunity now because you made it through. And so many of your peers, so many of your competitors did not. We have not come this far just to come this far. And in 2024, we are going to take advantage of having made it through the toughest market this industry has thrown at us in decades. We're going to take market share. We're going to get back to basics, calling and serving your realtors, calling and serving your borrowers, encouraging your team and letting them know, man, the price that we paid for this last market is going to pay off with big dividends in 2024 as we step forward and take hold of that incredible opportunity that is now ours because you made it through.